Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you link Twitter to your Discord on mobile. So at first, just go to your Discord account. Now if you are in a server, just click the top left, the three dash icon. Now just click the bottom right side, the profile icon. Now just scroll a bit and click on connections. Now click the top right add icon. Now here you can see Twitter, click on it. Now from here you need to give your username or email address and password, and after that just click on authorize app. Now just go back and go to your Discord. Now here you can see I have successfully linked Twitter to my Discord account. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.